Hello, I meal feed you.
I don't know, ask your purse or your bank book.
Mama, me not have no money. I want money already. I'm hungry.
Who you talk to?
Hello, White.
Me?
Yes, you. Since that until the US, they will take a game, man. Call him back for.
No, girl, me and my man are on good terms. I'm so good. Cause what them good when they go catch a gal.
And then you
In our
cook.
house.
And then you go cook and wash after you catch my net house and come here hungry. Yes, remember the day.
Girl, I before that. I before that.
That's so much time you catch one.
Mama, I want them gonna go catch one girl. I have to go one papa a little stinking daughter. Cause any day me box she, you know.
Anyway,
Alright.
me hungry. You can't do
Me
for
sorry,
me.
me not have no money.
Mama,
Call your man.
you
Your
know
man
from
name.
when me buy the juice and I hide the fire because me never want it done. Right now, me hungry.
Me not have no money.
No, what me do with you?
Girl, me supposed to lie down here at the time. I feel comfortable. I get up to work. I don't know work at all. I get to go look for something for me
If
eat.
you me take you, your 2 bag and your bird and come out of me house.
Me no feel ready to go me yard yet.
Mama put me up to you now because right now me hungry and you can't give me nothing to eat. Not even mackerel you can't buy much as pound of rice.
Girl, me can go call your man.
When you not come out?
No, me taking a
When
vacation.
the day me have more food for myself.
So you try to send me any amount of food?
Yes. Look, you see when me cook at the time and I'm alone there. You see when me cook, it pat serve me for 3 days. It can't serve me for not even 2 hours
You know
again.
what? I'm gonna share this. This is true. Me a hot girl. And my host and my man now refuse me to pick up my thing. I don't for this, yo.
Hope your man not put you out.
I say don't think I mean nothing again.
Mama, you better tell me because that even shit now you can't have food in there. Take a bag and come out of my yard.
Right. Come get me yard.
Oh, take up a lot of bag. Take up a lot of bag. Everything you take out. Because me are moving my man to me today. Me are moving my little baby father today.
You what?
Me baby father.
Which baby father?
Timmy.
Girl, I'm a man, you take off me, girl. I'm a man, you take, girl. After me, I'm afraid you take my man. I'm a man, you take. So the money where I go talk about, you get money from man done so. I'm a man. I'm here, you say, go. I'm here, no. I'm a man, you really take, girl. I'm a single way. Me a mad girl. We are in the man. And today, I gotta feed me. You gotta feed me. Tell the man, girl. Hey, girl. Come on for this. Come on for this. Me is no friend. Me kill you. Can't take me, man. Bright. You can't take me. You can't take me. Fuck to me. Hey, boy, there.
So why you kill me, baby?
And the baby you have that. Then, that's a come out. Bright. Put that book to me. Put that book to me. Right. Me is no friend. I want them to close them. Shan!
How would that?
Come out here, sir. Are your name Shan?
So you come prepare there, know people name? Yes.
Good morning. Me here say, I had the girl that go around in the community and I brag and boast. You jump through my man window. That's true?
Yeah.
You don't say my man.
And we gonna do that.
I'm here say y'all breed. We have me gonna do about that.
The girl you come to me, woman. You think I'm me alone your man have?
So
You think I'm me alone your man have?
And y'all breed for my man.
Yeah.
And y'all give me tough chat.
Yeah.
Y'all fly through me window. I think I feel window for me house.
I don't care. Your man bring woman.
Shut up. Man.
When you were doing the yard?
You can't take me, man. You didn't know that.
Oh.
I breed. You didn't know that.
Oh.
You didn't know if you let have the message there.
Oh.
Oh.
See, I bring your man, and that's the secret me do and tell you. That's why I say me I go save you for another day. You dirty junk man. What this nigga we have there?
You see how you get next one. You never know of infant for your dad, enough infant for the other girl.
Oh. So you never know, say your man are taking money, my other woman.
Yeah, when she come where come in the yard, come for you, me can't fight her. Cause we made a deal with you.
Yeah,
But
but
look, it's a me have belly.
fetch the mouth with some lick.
I have
Come
another
eat now.
secret.
What?
But
Chat.
I tell you now.
Oh, you see to me.
You go drop down.
Me not drop chat.
Mama.
Talk, I'm here one of these two. My ring for even tell me see. Proper tell me.
No, where am I correct? Where you trying to say about my daughter now?
If you see that tomorrow, I must something to me. Mark my words. That now go there, yeah. Me, personally, get rid of that one by one. It's the other one. It's the other one. I look, this man now. I show him tell me about that one, yeah. I show him tell me what I'm pop for you and they cut the road, you know. But when I see her, I see you next, one by one. Me, I clear to them, because nobody no girl, name girl, now take my man, I get it with it.
Yeah, I'll teach you something. I want to teach you something here. Never in life you fight over a man.
You see how you made?
Me a fight over the man, I feel me man, and you are Jamaican, you breed for him.
Me a brief him, but yes, still he bring
Shut up, Cocohead. Shut up.
Right.
Listen to me. Never you fight over a man. They will shame you.
No worry yourself.
Because the day go come when they go tell the man to pick between the other woman and go choose the other woman.
No, yeah,
Me so run well if you watch.
yeah, that. Me a mad girl, Papa. I think you know that long time. After your daughter, me not step in her neck in front of you.
You see why?
Don't worry yourself.
You see why me rather your other two sisters than you? Your other two sisters, them is very intelligent in that school right now. You kick out yourself. You see? You see better
You know
way?
what? Tell me what you have to tell me. Tell me what you have to tell me.
That secret you have another day.
Tell me what you have to tell me now. No, me want know.
Me have a father and daughter, but you can excuse
You
me.
know me come got me on.
Me say come out of me.
Oi! Me, you listen to me now. Nobody try to go put that on me now. Put it on your daughter that you share lick down so she wouldn't bring it to school. Be ashamed of yourself. And mark my words, any that are sleeping in the house tonight, me not something to me. Me no name what me name. Right, I want a father.
Can't even find me cutlass. Anyway, me not business about that. You and me, I tell you, say no. You see the shame when you bring down in my yard again? You see the shame, little girl? What? I'm going to get treating. Your sister, them better than you. Although them a different woman. I see why, I see the difference. Secondly, you not look no job no matter how many tell you go look job. You just want to yam down the place and not nothing. Till you look half dead plant them, you done them. Thirdly, the same workless boy will have all of the young girl in the area pregnant. You could lie down with him and not come back with nothing. Eh? Me see you come here one day with one soldier man. Me think I did young man. I take into care of the road carrying. Fish away saying now behave yourself.
I mean, yeah, me there come. Enough him enough. I come like somebody in there look to you know. But you just need know how to do it.
And then the man there, you should have them look. Not the one there with them pants over them body. Like, you know how that signifies when they have this so?
Tell me now.
When they're in a prison and they're ready for meet, them pull on them pants and walk past the cell. So they're ready. So, you shame me. You disgrace me. You make me look like me an idiot. So you know what me I gonna do? Me I gonna pack a bag. You hear me say? And me I gonna carry a good on your auntie. Can you hear what she say? And you know, she knows if she live and you know live. Me not remember but she go on. You're my only daughter. I'm tired to warn you. I'm one a day in, me one a day out. Me from you about 14 and me realize say they have sex. Me buy how much condom and me put it on the cucumber. Me show you how to use it and it look like say nothing when me show you. You just go a road. I just open up so. Eh? You see, this is the thing when me I try to show you. Me as a man, I teach about man out a road. And you not listen. Tell me what wrong with it. What me go wrong? What me not do right as a father? Tell me. Tell me what me ever done wrong. That's you have to do what you do now. That's a belly. Right? Every minute you're hungry because the picnic in your belly I eat. You want a burger, you're craving for burger, you can't even buy one biscuit. Eh? How many days you left out and say you have to check boyfriend, baby father, this? You come back with money? No. But as a father, me try my best. Some father would have kick out them that a long time. Some father would have cut your throat long time. Some father would have kick and butter bruise you. What me do wrong? What me do wrong as a father? Eh? What me do wrong, Sean? Tell me what me do. Eh? Me show you love. Eh? Me show you affection. Me show you everything a father could have ever done. Me go ask graduation. Me buy your uniform. You never yet charter uniform, all 12 uniform you wanna wear go to school. To you no love wash. Eh? Tell me now. You can extra uniform every day go to school because you run up and down and not sit up so you have to wear clean one come home. Eh? No parents, no parents never do that but you know. Me, I go carry go down your auntie go left it down there. Make you spend some time. Because me don't want to kill that hurt you know. You are my daughter. I mean, love you so much. So go and take your backside, pack up everything, every single thing. And nobody look for the G string then come here bound that long time. So go on in. Don't look for them. I like them backside. Because you don't reach 18 yet. You reach government law, but you don't reach my law yet. No bright.
Just hungry and boring.
I'm gonna get late.
Something over this. So.
No.
Hello, sir. I can't make $100. Hungry.
Hello, sir, you're not even waiting me answer. You just hello, sir, can beg you $100.
But I'm hungry, sir. Some more $100.
You know me? You don't know me from Adams, you come ask me for money.
Nah.
You see it? Them are saying happen in life, you know.
What happened?
I mean, young girl like you, I come beg me money, you don't know me. You know me can carry go there. I just say on the breed, you know.
You can't do me nothing.
I just say on the drop out of school, you know.
Sir, just give me $100.
So all I concern me. Me look like sir, so me look old. Hmm?
Come give me $100, sir.
How you look so? You run
Nothing wrong with me.
Run for your parents in home.
Don't worry about that. Alright.
You in the bed from morning.
My bed.
So we do hungry?
Mm-hmm.
We want to eat.
Just give me $100 now.
We want to eat.
Just give me the...
So me I get $100 you run. We want to eat. Come for your money now. We want to eat. We are run go there so far. No money me I give you, no want the money. We are go buy for eat.
I'll buy my food and one drinks. I'm hungry.
My food and one drinks with $100. Which shop you go buy that?
Miss Sorry, don't listen.
Teach you
It's
this.
cheap.
Teach you this. So when you grow up in life, it's people where you don't know, you don't go up on them and ask them for things like that. Come here.
No. We can't have just say just give me $100.
What's my name?
No.
You know where I come from? So, oh, you see me and I beg my money like that. What your parents? What your parents name?
Popeye. No, Popeye is my uncle. I don't know my mother.
See, them say, you don't know your parents name, I say Papa and Papa your uncle. You don't know your mother. Teach you this. And so when I come on the street, you see people.
What do I do with that?
I mean, one of them to your parents. One of them to your parents. And don't come back on the road. And then I come find the parents them and give them a warning, you know. Because I need to know who response you in our village, because you can't grow like that as a young little girl. And a big man money, look.
What's that? One dog in the command dog and nothing else. Sean! Hi! Go and first girl.
Me there.
Where your dog in there?
The dirty boy me are gonna sell the dog them girl.
Sell dog, who sell dog nowadays?
Sell it to one Chinese man downtown.
Jesus Christ, me top them Chinese food.
And that when we come
We
from
don't-
town,
Eh?
when we come from town, and that me say me stop buy from Chinese. Come
Yeah,
here, what
cause
do with
me
dog?
hear say you're reaching and me say alright, me come check my favorite cousin.
Yeah, me come girl and
So cousin like how town chicken and kebab nothing.
come back. Me not even need to come back yet. And the
Jaja.
little dirty boy there, girl, that stress me out.
Which boy
Yes.
that?
Me man,
When name?
Tibi. Yeah, the one where I breed up little 16-year-old them. In same one.
I know you look a brute son familiar. Maybe I want man with my friend. And that one friend named Shan.
Shan.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me box she already. I'm
You box
her. Yeah. Box
So
she.
I know say me and you related.
Me box she. And I have to kick off it face. See me down the sun now. And I go on with herself like me and Pitney and wrap up.
I'm sure
And
I'm
one
box
in
out in
Riri.
tea. I hear me a bit too.
Two of them. Me grab Riri right so I go down the road go see the two of them and grab the two
Two
of
of
them.
them. Bad
Yeah.
you bad. You angry that.
I know bad, me bad. And look at dirty boy and a girl. Me have no respect for me. All I go tell you little girl them say me and janitor. Say,
You know how many for hire Johnny?
say me up here clean field.
What a liar. I saw where you
Yeah,
go
me
you know.
place. All I tell the girl them say place a field. Me did the run and me auntie am come around say me I go come get one worker man to cut the yard.
Alright.
Clean up the yard so you did say me I go book. So what?
No, I hear me here say you come
You look good at everything though cause
Yeah.
as usual.
And then I finally decide say yeah. I'm gonna play from hairstyle for once.
You never can see that when you got to do. Now
Yeah,
really
you're so classy, man. So same. So yeah, it's something I take your make on you know.
Alright, yeah, me a grown or so.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes, you mad, girl. Come here.
Me not mad.
Me know, say no mad, that's why I want to ask you something. The day me catch you over there, where you over there go? Where you
I'm a
wait
cousin,
for?
Shan.
Shan. Yes, Papa and daughter Shan. So, where Shan there now? Because me threaten her now, alone, me not see her. Tell Shan if you stop, take man, tell Shan if you left me man alone.
Hello. I don't know you're not, but guess what? Me hear your call, one familiar name a while ago. I know a Toshan. My position I want a Toshan. Which one of them I refer to a while ago?
So how that concern you?
No, me just access something because
Papa and daughter Shan me a chat on the problem.
oh shit. No, me just ask what you talk about.
Cause she
me
a
like
take me
her,
man
you know.
Tibi.
Tibi, are you my cousin?
Yeah.
Girl,
I probably let the
not your face,
obvious.
me even see you. Tibi, are you man?
Tibi is my man. What is the problem?
No.
Tibi is my man. What the problem?
No.
Anyways, if you see a dirty girl cousin, you'll rub me
I tell
down.
you, say you will report yourself.
So this a girl there. She talk about.
Wait.
You know, me tell her this. And they see your cousin and you. And make it back over me yard, you know. Don't back over me yard.
And I'm go over there. I want this girl to go over there to take
Who fair for them? Because you want take man, take man, take man, take man. You man got your light post, girl.
Shan. Cousin. Shan. Come here, no. Listen, girl. You say, I have girl there. You see that girl there, woman, take your man. She has to go see. Yes. Look at the girl. Hey, you know,
We are talking for girl. What problem? You put
oh,
on
let's
you feel yourself.
yeah. I want to go there on this one. He say, I take your man. Tibi, I feel woman.
Hello. Tibi and my man, we are talking about.
No, Tibi, I feel man.
Hello. To be my husband. Not just my man. Who you? Who you be?
Come on, you just open my face and back up. Jesus.
Me support you for right here. So here.
Oi, mama, me tell this woman. Listen to me. Listen to me.
No, me support you.
Tibi is my man. Tibi and my man.
Girl, don't grab me. My name is baby.
Come on, baby. How about this to Jesus?
Don't grab me up.
How about this?
Who you?
You come like you're mad. You idiot, girl. You don't know me.
You're sick.
Mama, me psycho. And me a Tibi man.
Well, me I pat then.
You look me like
Me I pat.
How about Tibi there?
What the fuck is that?
Tibi is my man.
Girl, please.
It's like you don't
Me
understand.
I beg you, just take your time and go on.
What's up with that man go on?
Take your time and
See
go on.
next time. Are you? Are you?
Dirty foot
Are you?
girl.
No worry yourself. No worry yourself. Are you?
Cause
I want book you whenever I don't have the energy right now.
me not understand.
No, you have to
Me-
wait
I
till
go-
we pull out me here.
Cause me not understand.
No, yes,
Why man always if they good woman for them slime bagger? What is that?
Me don't know what to look
Tongue
for
bag.
slug.
You know slug around power.
You see it there.
Me not
Oh,
shame.
no.
Me not shame. Thanks
Yeah.
to tell me.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Me I don't fight with them.
Yeah, me
I don't
understand.
fight.
Cause, I think couple months.
Cause you see this one.
Yeah.
This a batchy dahlia.
Yeah.
Same a breed for TB.
Hello. She
Oh,
and
the
son
batch
where
darling
you
is
beat
here,
up.
you and she.
See, look at dog, yeah.
Yeah.
Look
All the
at she in
dog
a
when we
place.
see you and she can
Look
kill
here.
her.
Him
Poor
the
girl.
dog.
You're a dog, tough
Oh, let me
as
tell you.
long back and you
Hello.
understand
No,
I
mama,
am.
me
Let me tell you this. Let me tell you this.
Me ya dog, una
Let
dog,
me
me
tell
a
you this.
puppy.
Remember, say me grab her next last time.
You can grab her again. Your feet can't grab me
No,
this time.
let's look on.
Grab her
Me
again.
not go grab him, me no come, me no want, me no want.
Yeah, look
Kill
how
no
you fit
picnic.
me.
But
I'll
you see,
grab my grab me
anytime,
again.
you see, anytime that little bastard smuggling on it.
You're the bastard, me see you.
First thing there, you have to go around for that kind of sell.
Who sell? You see me on the bridge?
You're not sure if I 50 TB.
A couple.
me-
I see me sit on a bridge, you know.
This one.
A block you can't
And you
hide.
down there.
No, you could never see me down the girl. My man took
Me
scare
don't know
of
what
me.
TB sip on that. What that?
Someone a sip on you while that the pan.
I must see a
I
chort.
damn foreign.
Yeah.
I found it on me.
I ain't chort.
Yeah, James Squeechy, man. James Squeechy. James Squeechy, man. You lucky me can't find my machine. You know how long I walk out of my
What you
machine?
mean? Me say, yes, I'm going to show me now. Me lonely pan the road, so me lonely. Now, hours me mean. So I make mistake. So I take a walk.
So, we say no, I'm shy. We gotta spend a couple days sick because the girl want beat her. So you take up yourself, go on the road for me to do the same thing to you. You want me to send you home too? Listen to me, let me tell you something. If you're under my roof, you don't live for that. Yes, sir. You understand? Because anything will happen, and not only your mama go to prison. Me, I go there too. Because he can tell them, say, left them under my hand, which we can say, did I sign an agreement to keep you here? Do not left out of the yard again.
But now the house hot. So I take a walk.
Oh, what me I feel? The cool breeze.
Son.
Yard not cool enough. Tree not did it. Look at yard, let me tell you something. What you plan to do with your life?
We want to eat.
Live and eat. That's all you plan for your life. Warning, if you don't turn thief or work down a bridge, you're going to become
Me no,
tough.
no.
Live and eat. That's why you're not even say you're going to study and come lawyer and doctor. What? You say I'm my sister. You wait till she come here.
Oh, you do the right thing. Me like how you do the right thing. Me love how you do the right thing. If you never send her away, I'd have kick out the baby to the belly day. What she have?
You know why I'm saying away my daughter?
Why?
Because of my seed, right? That's the reason why I send him home. Because guess what? If me never send him home, you would have might dead. Because if you did put a feather upon my daughter, get me mash it, me not left me 20 years.
And where they now? I mean, no, see you can't fight. Where they now?
We can't find him. We can't find him. We did find him with a have it. And I tell me I lose work.
Talk about that. Talk I'm telling you, stay and straight now.
If you did a clean and a desk, so, your man wouldn't
If you not clean out your house, your daughter will breed before time and cry on shame and disgrace for you. You don't try to go with under me underneath. And my underneath clean.
Let me teach
So I
you.
tell you that you don't know nothing about under me.
Mama,
You understand?
Let me tell you something. I could never know about under you, because guess why?
Why?
Me that man like, woman like, when me see uno come like trash to me. Me not see
And I
nothing
see
for
man
you.
like a uno come like straight dark. Everything you see no one ram up in her.
Yeah, roof.
Yes,
Yeah.
roof.
We are dog. Anywhere in the public, you will see we are do anything. But
Me no business.
uno woman come like a cat. Uno hide and uno sneaking.
No way say can't hurt my feelings. Don't let me come down like I come like you come down me. You see Tibi? Cause me if you attack it, can make me see I want next girl up there so with that fear cousin. Come like to fight you and fight me, you know. But that true me never in the fighting mode. True me I walk out for Tibi from last night, you know. And true me I walk out for Tibi, me not argue with she.
Mama,
Me
sure.
want if your daughter go with me man. Your daughter go with me man. If your daughter ever go man, it's the same but my man go.
My daughter could never so fool. See, I run
Mo
back
want
at
my
the
man.
club there.
Cause a one by one, me I get rid of the one of them, you know. You saw that one better? She too brave. It's like she not hear about me, never tell them about me. I better to spread the news. Cause she come up with my face like she have chop me, you know. But I told me I look for my man more important than she. But when I find Tibi and lock down Tibi in the house,
You know,
there,
some
I find
say,
she.
the whole of the young girl in that area.
Oh, what?
Uno worse than that nigga yam. Uno worse than that nigga yam, me I tell you the truth.
And so?
You see, when you cook yam And when you got it and you crush out and turn poco. Trust me. You don't want to see how you look right now. Go on. Cause
Look how you look.
don't worry
You come
about me.
like wet rat. You do a facial, man, you and you come talk to me.
You tell me if you do a facial and the hair just with your ears. I want to know him. Because when I take back my money, if you ever them fullness there when time for retire and can't lay no more head, he just a waggle it up, a waggle out the bush.
Alright then, me need to give you a warning. Because me see your woman and a 5 foot horse cousin a while ago. You need to talk to them. Because them going to chat about my bastard pitney, about how the pitney and a feel. About how she going to do DNA and one bag of something. You need to put them in their place. Else me not going to work.
Listen, me I go in the yard right now. Go straighten out things. Cause the whole on my baby mother. And me need the whole on to go look for it.
Yeah, me I go look work. Me never tell them not go look work. But I need to put them in their level. They don't know their limit. They love pick fight with the rest of people. I want to them. They don't know their limit. Me don't know she me just pass her down the road.
How far?
Right down there, sir. Down at Miss Alice.
Alright, now I'll go on the right side. So you there go now?
Me not go on me yard.
Go do what?
I lie down and sleep and rest.
Alright, I'm soon call you.
Alright.
Hold up. Your visitor. Your visitor, man. I don't know your man. Your visitor.
I mean, who?
Your man. Your husband.
Which husband?
That they say that's your husband.
Hallelujah.
That's so long. Oh, wait,
Remember me, sir? Remember me? It's my cousin.
Hallelujah.
That's so long. You make me there wait for her till me I drop and sleep.
Who you wait for?
I don't know.
Who you
Yeah,
wait
your
for?
man
yes,
talk
yeah,
out on
boy.
the background.
What you mean by when you hear say go on? Me and my cousin all the time girl go past and go on with themselves and go.
So, we don't know if you live like a one. We don't
Me
know
and no
peace.
girl now live like one. I know me no know peace. No, what him so? Peace? You can't put them into pieces.
What peace? Peace.
Me no know peace.
So, I make you have to bring this girl to come here.
How we a call this a girl here?
No, what do you look a concubine?
Who you call this a girl? I know my cousin you call this a girl here.
Me make her come to talk to you now. I mean, I need no crowd now, no come.
Me a listen.
I
And
talk to you.
she a stay right and so you not move.
Yeah, hello, miss. You can give me a minute, like, go around this up.
Don't move.
Me not move.
Well, we'll see about car.
See back who? I mean yeah, you come out.
When me come back,
Come back
chat
when?
to you.
I
'Cause
mean,
if
yeah,
me not
leave
chat
me.
to you in front of nobody. I want to chat to you one away.
Like
Gone.
that, move in with you then, cause we now go chat to you then.
No, he not chat to me none at all. He must go.
Alright, then, me book you all next time.
You can't book me. And tell the concubine them out the road, say, any day me see them, I kick off their face one by one. And if you want to run up, you run up too.
See you.
What
And
you
you have
want?
strength for what me can answer
I
me.
don't know what I'm doing.
Cause if you I'm,
I'm not afraid of the boy. What am I afraid of the boy for?
you come back
You
in
know,
my
do
yard.
nothing.
I say you want to leave. Watch him. I say you want to leave. Come here, cuz.
Uncle, you know what's happening to fan and yard and cook and I also never know about this thing. Cook this kind of house hot. And I know you can buy little AC and fan.
Let me tell you something. Yeah? I'll tell you something right now. Don't tell me what me can buy from what me cannot buy. Because your mother only said you come here with clothes, right? I want to look at dead $2,000 in your bag. That's the money they done the moment you come here. First thing you want egg, you want francs, right?
When I eat it was Frank said.
So who eat the eggs and what did there?
I don't know action.
Alright, enough of that. If I'm my daughter eat it, I say go. But you want francs every minute and bacon. Milk like me rich.
I don't know, you know.
Milk like me have money. Huh?
I don't know because I was hungry.
Make sure it's around the back of the room. Take your time, go on. Make sure.
Yes, man. Yes.
Alright. Away for you, my ball.
Say, cousin, I've asked me upon some more use the bathroom. Feel like more to go alone.
How we are going every minute telephone here?
No, sometimes I just have to take a walk and more like oxygen.
Go on a back party, back door open, I'll let me do all of to go.
Alright.
How happened?
What do you mean, what happened?
Tell you, brother. I realize, me tell you.
You don't know, so we feel live good.
Hey, Timmy, every day we should live good, we should live good, we should live good.
We can't get up.
You want to make we live good?
But we can't get up every day.
All of them girls that you have out the road, you have, what about them? You respect me?
You feel carry me out, go treat me.
Here,
Let me go have dinner.
who you deal with? Me? And you fear carry me out, go treat me to the amount of foolish she said.
But you know me not work. Me just get my work for you, you know.
I don't stay with
You know
her.
me not no money.
Me not have it need that thing.
So how you dey go on, so?
What you mean by how me dey go on?
You look up fly, bar fly girl in my
Oh.
You hear say me braid them. I don't mind picking them.
So long as you never know say them a bar fly. If that never go there, your name would call.
But thing is still, money me I look for.
No, me not have it. No, we don't have it.
Sis, first girl. I don't flash the toilet yet. You want to shift the fling pan you look on that boy?
So every time you come here, this girl in there, yeah.
I'm a
Because I
cousin.
live here now.
I'm a cousin, say I go forever
She
see
don't
her.
live now, eh?
No,
No.
she live here.
Right here.
Me don't know what me to you.
Run little boy from your yard. That they could do and don't make him come and contact if you not
Yo,
profit.
yo,
When he
yo,
never,
yo,
when
sorry,
he, when he
you
didn't
put your
have
cousin
money
on
and
me.
so out
Yes,
of
say, of course, can you
Put
put every...
put everybody.
Yes, me put my cousin over you, can you put everybody over me?
Right.
Yeah.
Well, me I head out, you know, come to. No, what you did say.
No more
I
until
better say
left me
make I
yard
better say your
before.
cousin make you
Oh,
sorry.
well, me I meet out this one.
Alright, your cousin look like she leave have a man and she try to correct against you. But everything good still.
Come out of me yard. Stop coming at me yard.
Hello. You see what slim brown girl about the place?
Yes, you know what orange bottom tights?
No, I'm tight to
Whatever, one shorts, well, no, yeah.
Yes, she.
Well, you have a long walking to do because she gone way up the road.
I'm a whiny girl, you know. The whiny girl, so one girl when you tell her a beat up, the girl them for Timmy.
I said we have one girl named Shana beat me off for Tibby too.
Shan?
Right? Yeah.
That's a Marga Shan. Not
What?
my daughter, you know.
No, yeah, one next Marga one.
Let me tell
Right
you
now,
about
my
she.
bug me, I go turn back and go for left there, so.
So what you do, yes or no? You see, she ever all you know, she have a monkey lotion, you know what is monkey lotion?
I want monkey lotion.
Why something when you go for your skin, it change you. You see, oh you look now? When I put on that, I know you that again.
Me I go for my bag.
Okay.
I walk up on my, but me I tell her, say she gone up the road, up so.
You know what? I'll follow you go there. So.
Yeah, come on. Let me get one. No. Go where me I go now, you know. Go where me I go. You see me I be the bigger person. You see me can't be the fighting and the back and forth with no girl, with no little girl. Me not the back and forth thing with no girl. So the best thing me do, I go on. Me I be the bigger person and go on. Because me hear say no Kayla make Sean talk up and go on, you know. That a papa daughter, you know. So me now me I go away. So take care of yourself. Because I can't take a cycle, you know. But me have on.
If I want girl to make her see where I'm going to be. Young mother have young belly.
You know something don't like you. I be a wash more from my picking. Oh. Have a good day.
What you mean?
Yeah. So hold on there. What you the lie where you go tell me now?
Which lie?
Where you they come from?
When I walk on the road,
Walk on which part of the road?
right that's so. Now house hot.
Right
I know
there.
you can't buy the AC.
Right there, so. You know how me walk all over the globe all day. All day. You used to want a little slim girl and me ask me if you see how the little girl say you walk all the way up the road and when me walk but me not see none tall.
I lie. Me da walk.
Look girl, let me tell you something. She a belly, you know.
Them is not them not
And
fat.
you not go come here with no belly. Because you see, same way how your sister said, me a talk about your sister, your mother said, come down here. Ah, same way you go back home. You hear me say? Because me lick off your head with this glass.
I can't lick me.
Me can't lick you. Oh, under my roof, your mother left you, you know.
Me know.
So if me lick off your head right now, you think I'm me alone I get in a trouble, your mother get in a bigger trouble. Because first thing, you know, if you send you come here. Without me confirm, I mean, if I confirm you, she just send you up, you know. I'm sorry for you and accept you, but I wrong to me do because God know what your mother on the road I do making send you come here.
She not do nothing. She take care of me. Just didn't want to come down here. You go in.
You know, me go call on my other daughter. Go on. Go on. If a company you want, me go call on the other one make you get company because me can't tolerate you go up on the road. You're too young. If you walk up on, take up a book. Take up something, read. Look for me daughter, that's when take up. Belly. And can't feed himself. I'm glad I find back my shit. You know me love you, baby. Yeah, man. I'm going to box off your head.
You dirty dog, walk up.
Who for walk up?
Walk up. Where you come from?
You know, say I walk me and walk and look.
Which work you couldn't walk look for no TB?
What do you mean?
From yesterday, me dey look for you, I can't find you. Which work you possibly could have walk and look TB?
Yeah, look at job work.
You don't feel like you know what you want to tell me?
So me coulda
But
walk
me
up.
have that discussion and we go home because I go tap cow business on the road and bring it over yard. Come go over.
So how you go and talk?
I say come go over. When we going to reach over here, we know.
No, but more I'm going to go see if me do one man do one better this time to come check him and see if me dey go through the work.
You know hear me I say? Over yard you come go. You there?
So if me not get to work,
TB, come on, you waste my time, man. Come on, come go in the yard, man. Come here. Come right up to me. Let me ask something to you. Who is Shan? Who is Shan?
my papa daughter.
Me not talk papa daughter Shan, the other Shan, one brown one. One man and hook up like concubine.
You know who you chat about.
She say you're nerdy.
Me?
Cause she see me on the road and walk and look for you yesterday. But I chew me and walk and put me no beat like girl they chop me. You think they me take chuck or this far road, but I chew me and walk and look for you, you know.
So you're sure of me?
Hello! Who else your name TB?
CB. You're sure you use them out good?
TB, don't lick in your face, you know. You know, so don't lick in your
You
face.
tell us me I walk a look work and you tell me about other girl.
I mean to say me I walk and I look for you and girl say your name there and girl chop me on road and I hear me I say. That fly to your ears?
I'm going to show me that the girl, you know, because you know me love you and I don't want to.
Hello? You can't trust me, you know, because I say give me money papa daughter. And they had a one, read. So how me for trust you that that's the actual window?
So me not tell us me change.
One in the house. One in the house. But if I bought that girl that Shan, me will hear about it.
Me do want to check him and
Boy in the house, you don't need no work. I mean, they mind of one, you know, kind of work you could have possibly want. There's nothing better to do with your life.
Oh boy. What a sun hot. Wow. Nice girl.
Hi.
You're looking so fine. Are you pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant. I'm just fat.
I like that, man. You know, so my ex-baby mother was a fluffy. I love fluffy, you know, because you see fluffy girl know how to do them thing. Yeah, man. It's them as them boring. Jesus, please. Them boring. And then we go do track star, then we go run. What a girl like. But first thing, yeah, how much?
Me a 19.
Oh yeah, because I see some of them girls around them place here. A whole of them pregnant before time. 15, 16 pregnant, 17 pregnant. Me no know what in them blood so. But me the man me like ask age because it's my daughter. She walk listen up.
No, the battle.
She walkless. Breathe before time.
So, what make she breathe before time? You don't know if you lock her up in her house.
Let me ask you a question now. You feel so me can punish girl picking nowadays under government hand?
Well, that's true. That's the next thing.
If you lit them and then go to station, police come lock you up. Right?
Right.
And if you lock them up in their house and tell them to stand in there, them ball and make call, police come and pull you and dash you in a jail for no reason like an idiot.
That's true.
So always you go on for the island. Me I blame the government. Because of them set the rule. Me I blame them.
After them business.
Because they set the system gone down the drain. If you understand what I'm trying to show you. You're 19, so you understand. You must get all of a subject and understand.
Yeah.
All who have subject know how to thief. You understand? Because me have little subject, yes. Me used to thief. And me get, but I say go, me did have to thief because the boss didn't pay me good.
It's on hot and I'm kind of tired because far me I come from. So we can link up next time.
No, baby, we don't know if we're going to see each other. We cannot just do all look one piece. Like, just sign a seal that we deal and we're there.
One piece.
One piece, it don't matter. I could have 2 piece.
No, I will do one piece because I'm tired.
So, alright, go up in the bush here. So.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, man. And then we let you off. Make sure you're 19, do you know?
Me are 19. Oh. Sean!
I walk out so early in the morning now. Nocha, how you do ya? So after me never know say you come for two.
Yeah, mommy say must pack my bag and come so that me do.
So you see that lady there. So me really tell the woman say me don't here work. And I deal with my business and he still say no come. Alright, watch now. Tell her this, you can't stay no because you're my sister and blood, me can't put you out and tell her if you go on. Tell her this, you see yes sir, different from town. You see me? Girl, when me girl I'm place it in her. Don't go like
So
say what.
attitude.
No, give me no attitude. Listen to me, I say good. Cause after time now there. You see, yes sir and town run different, Marika. See yes sir, you know go run from one man room for and supply within when I run out, you run in. Yes sir and town run different. When they are town and stay up there with that, you see, yes sir no run so. Girl we beat you.
Beat me.
I mean, I put myself in a problem for you. Sorry.
So why make you hear
No,
kitchen?
sorry. For you, sis. Just take what me I say. So you see, after time now there. So please, maybe you say, well, if I say I stay, I stay. Don't make no man tell you say, yo, a farmer to a fuck. Or your breast out a do no true your body big, you go feel like say, you go come down and tell you say you're 18 or you're 19 or you're 20. But you know say you're 15. And don't play with me. And fix your clothes while your breast out a door.
Because I type of clothes.
No, let me tell you this. Make sure you say no, shut up. But you see what me in? Make sure you say no,
Hello, me are not all woman, you know, so you can't come tell me about for wear no. Tell me what for wear from one wear. Me a young girl.
Oh, so me a old woman.
Never said that.
You're 15-year-old. And me a your bigger sister. Don't tell me about you're not old woman. Me know say you're not old woman. Me a tell you what's right. And me a go make sure say you have your own room. You know, nobody in my place.
Exactly.
What me say me no want to do?
I don't know if nobody go come. I suppose you then come too.
Nobody now come here to me. I want somebody come here to me. What me say me no want nobody do?
Well, that's okay then.
Okay, me no want nobody at my place. And me and my cousin stay here.
Where your cousin?
Just so noir.
Alright.
Pan daddy's side. And me and my cousin stay here. And don't play with me certain way. Come on, me show you around so.
Look how long me tell you. Well, my mother send me down and my sister and know, so I don't know that's all go. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. As me say.
Hi.
Hold on, me go call her back. How may I help you?
Where you come from?
Well, me come from town.
How you come to visit? I mean, you come to look for?
When would I come for look for you? I don't know you.
Oh, so you do a woman yard?
Oh, yeah, how many are this?
Yeah, but
Well,
she not did it.
I'm a sister.
Oh.
Shana, my sister.
Hello.
Watch her babes that did there.
What kind of... I'm a little sister this now. Bring no argument to my sister now. She 15.
Who will bring argument to her? Me?
No, me just a tell you. Me just a tell
Oh,
you.
no, I yell
Come
her
know
up.
say I be under age of David.
No, sir,
Respect me.
No, me I yell her up.
Me just... You don't need to heal her
Your
up.
sister favor you do, man.
Yes, she under age.
So she out the door.
Because she just come a while ago and me did there on the side catch water. And me hear your mouth. What wrong with you? Where you there come from?
Come to look for you, man.
Me
Where
tell
are
you
you?
say me no want you in my yard.
So every
Because
time I
the
come
soon
here,
come, so if I did me like you, me see you.
Boy.
I was sweetheart. Wait no. So me get more come to spend some time. Come to spend some time with you.
Me will tell you when to come. Not right now. Me I deal with some family issues cause me I go for Kena, make she know Kena, make I know Kena no like you, so go on.
Alright, me I stay till Kena come.
No, Kena no like
I
you.
really do that sister look
No.
get me fine.
TV.
Alright. Follow me go to so.
Oh, what kind of crisis family?
Papi, you know plan to take your life, brother.
I think that close it. Alright.
I back me can't click with you. You know, take no serious, bro.
How to take things here?
If you take things serious.
I know how it is. Shit.
If you take things serious.
Yeah, I know. That.
Stop it, Wagwan.
Where are you?
Can't see you.
Where did someone come from?
What mean by?
We are talking about one from.
So what that do?
How does a giant boy I can talk to? How you talk to? No, raise the voice off for me, no. Shy, you want that, you know? Hey, youth. The fan, look like play tight here. Oh, this is a Yankee. What you talking about when they see sweetheart you talk to generals, man? I want to hear. Yeah, come out here. Come out here. Call up Piasso. See, boy, me call people I can't talk about, nobody with you, know. Come up here, son, and talk to you. Come out here, no kind of man this here.
Let's go and see who you are listen to put it. And you see. You don't know what it's a either boy.
Oh, you call you that, you?
What are you thinking?
Oh, you call you
Let
that?
me go.
Don't move. I'm a call you that.
So Wagwan.
Over nothing number, watch out. Game controlling numbers. Okay.
Let's see a fool that.
2 minutes in
Oh, biggie that day.
2 minutes in the care machine.
Anyways, me go give me number.
After here, baby girl, man. Next time I walk
Tell
with
that
them.
boy no.
Walk with them.
You know say not change. Get worse.
Walk with them like a punk the next time, man. I'm here, man.
Yeah, me give me number.
You look so good.
Yeah.
I see your style.
Right. See you.
Some fresh though.
Thanks. Make sure say you call me, you know.
I'm to see this.
Where everybody have to see me, as well my name, no Shan.
Shan.
Yes.
I want to put that in here, man. In here, no 8, man. I want you, man.
So where I go put tap link?
Sexy chocolate.
Okay. Put anything you want.
So you have an idea?
Me I want good on your road.
What do you mean you want to go down here? What are you going to do?
What do you mean by me I want good on my cousin?
Cousin?
Yes.
My cousin good on your cousin?
Yeah, my cousin come back.
So what? You know your cousin say you love good on go see?
Right. Don't give me up. So where do you want me to go?
You can go chill out and relax.
No, I don't
have a
want
drink.
you.
Look on a date or something.
You have me number, text me. We will talk about that. You move too speedy.
I know, baby girl.
So me not come.
You're speedy girl. I wish that this for you. Move! Come on, I wish that this for you.
So where are my dog for?
So, I feel that.
Yes. Then you just see back at me.
So you're not bathing, making you look a bit like you.
Making tan. I don't feel like bathing.
Miss my friends is saying, I'm going to ask you one time for you, somebody saying, I mean, no, see, you can't, so I mean, just realize, yeah, that.
Anyway, me I go back down here, me I go down.
How are you? Where are you? Who are you?
How me know me a do ya? What you a do ya?
I am live.
Well, Shanna, my sister. So me allow you come here.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you put on weight. But if you take on my bonnet, so I recognize you.
Are you not put on none?
Just chill now. I got people with fast metabolism can put on weight.
Oh.
Hey, you man a feed you.
No, man. Go my business. Me look fit me. So where you come from, man yard?
No, I go up on the road, go buy one little soda.
And
And
just a
bubble
come
gum.
back?
I know
And me
long
there
time
how
ago.
long?
No long time ago. I do long time ago. Don't do that. You know, far me have to walk go for one bubble gum. Gas station kind of Chinese store too expensive.
Then me not think gas station there than shiny and man yard there come from, you know.
No, I know man, yeah, me dey for Haman.
Okay, go
Anything me see, Allah. Yeah, good. Me see you when you come back.
I let Ocho man a drop. Man yard in the there.
Hello.
Hi.
Good as. Yeah, no. From see you look with that shape there and something, you know, you have to be good as not good as alone of them a shape there, you know.
Really?
Really, can you tell me?
Oh.
Where you are now?
You know, sir, me just a come from town. But just me I walk around and get to know your place and something. You understand?
Town.
Yeah.
What's the name?
Oh, America. And yours?
America? You know
Oh yeah, oh yeah. What is that?
You know long more go America? Glad to see you right now.
You're at America right now.
Nice to meet you anyways. Can you friends so go chill out and all that evening?
Just like that?
Can get to know you more. You must see a big gunshot and sitting on fire upon the road and sitting in the road and dangerous.
For sure?
You just a come from town, you know, and my village, you know, so I tell you what I go and say, the best thing we do right now, I go up on the black dog, sit down and chill out.
For really, for yourself.
You want like unwanted boy in a place, man, in TV.
Unwanted?
You shut the boy for you up in the place and sit, man.
What do you look?
You wanted, man, you wanted, man, look, man, face cut up and sit, man, all about time, cut up. So,
alright then, come, because...
You see right now, baby girl, isn't it so?
Alright.
Up on the black dog, chill out, dancing, you see?
I don't know, sir.
Yeah, man.
The room big and nice, though.
Everything in here big.
Everything in here big?
Yeah.
Well, you can see how a man alone living here, so because man not like tidy place.
Yeah, sir, word that's really, man. How are you, man? So because this morning I get a phone call for the way to piece of money to see me up this up. You get on the roadside, that's it.
Yes, but you're not getting money.
Yeah, man, I get piece of food, but I did forget piece more.
Oh. So, you have no girlfriend?
Can't have girlfriend and care here.
No, me have to ask
disrespectful.
because so you have some nasty man.
Nothing like that, man. How do you, man? So, you see me, American name too?
Yes, that's my name.
Oh, God, I first on the band, I meet young girl in America, you know.
There's a first for everything in life.
Right, I'm a little bit nervous. You know, I'm one guy America.
Well, you didn't know.
Mother the America and mother named Dandan and she the America.
That's nice.
Their husband Jonah. And you know long no one go over there, go stay with them.
So why they not file for you?
File an official machine. You talk about file. File a fish and mash it.
No,
Only
another
use
type
file.
of file, me mean. Yeah. Paperwork. They make them the paperwork for you.
Oh, paperwork.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Maybe they will do that when it's time right.
You're not going to school?
Sometime. When we can ask her that.
No, because you don't understand what I mean by file a fee or whatever.
No, because a big word that I use and I kind of never really know some of my big word them
File
when
a
I
big word.
Yeah, because I think file a fish and mash it. But you say file of a paperwork last and so that's a different meaning than I first may hear that meaning this. So you know.
Yeah,
So
I understand.
how old are you? How I'm sorry. How young are you?
We're 19.
19?
Yes.
Smell nice too.
Oh, thank you.
Teeth them pretty and something.
Thanks.
Can't touch your ear.
No. No, your hand drop off my ear.
Really, baby girl.
Yes.
You know so
Really.
much things me have for me just I can make your ear get longer and something nice and something.
Oh, me sure so them a feel because man nowadays a liar.
Sweetie, don't even go there. You think somebody like you? Somebody take you off the road, invite you over here in my place. You know how much girl would I love to come over here right now?
Well,
I come like you know, my feelings sticky, you know.
some man no wanna move like.
No, I'm not still like that. A long time me want to go America. Me plan to just stay America and work and help out America and this is me. So I don't know why you think nothing like that.
Oh, okay,
So,
I understand.
you have a boyfriend?
No, me don't have a boyfriend.
So I don't want to lie to you, you know, so I know why you feel like a man alone lie, you know. If I want a girl that want a man them out there, you know, want to have sugar daddy, have this daddy and that daddy there.
Well, I don't have any boyfriend. I'm telling you already, so I'm not have none.
Sweet girl, like, you know, no boyfriend.
Yeah, because you're not liar though.
Oh no.
And because I like your vibes, me there so right now, sit down and talk to you.
Sweetie, me I talk. Say me, I say, oh no. Like you put me with some little loose man and thing and don't do that. I don't like that. Just me put you with them girl.
I don't know as it. Me must have just I get to know you. I don't know nothing about you.
I send just nice stuff.
Oh, thanks.
I believe in a God.
Of course, we believe in that God.
After okay, I'm a blessing so you get. Can you get a 360 place?
What?
360.
Oh, okay.
General, like your outfit or your suit, whatever.
Thank you.
So I depend differently.
Oh, man, I depend nothing. As me tell them I didn't walk for get to know your place and something. But what time?
Yeah, what do you mean right
Oh,
home?
me have to agree because I'm a sister me go stay with. And me no want she start look for me or start call on my phone, so me have to agree.
Alright, now man, great. Can we talk for you? And thanks for come over next time. You come over here, we can always read, isn't it?
Yeah.
We see each other on the road, we can talk for a couple minutes, but not too long as we tell that place dangerous, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just give me a hug and we link up with you when I visit.
Alright.
So I don't know for a long time. So
Thank
can
you
get all
for
that
the
kiss.
evening again, yeah?
Alright, take care.
Alright, bye. Oh,
Alright,
you don't
cool.
get the number. Now let's look for you don't get the number.
That's why I'm call her back for.
Yeah.
I do nervous, me can't talk one.
Probably more find out where to look back here for going link you.
Just calm down, sweet man. How are you, man? Sleep comfortable and don't be nervous when you come over here.
Alright, thank you.
Keep yourself.
Call me, okay?
Alright, baby.
Later.
No. Hey! Oh, green light. Go. Red light. Stop. Wait up. Green light. Go. Come. What on there? Where you come from?
Me they go walk and walk, go down in the town, like, forget to know a place and so forth.
Yeah, no big enough for your walk.
Yeah, they bored.
Yeah,
So-
bored.
So me just
TV
go
in
walk.
the house. Internet not there.
Me no
You
like-
don't have phone.
Yeah, but me just did one walk.
Walk. How you look so?
Oh,
Hollow palo. Me not like how you look.
oh me look all up.
I smell so
How me smell?
funky, fishy. And you smell like you have one different cologne. Who you go rub up on? From morning me make fi smell you. Look a girl. When you come here, what do you when me tell you say?
Tell me what day this morning me come. And stop going like you're my
Wait.
mother. You're my big sister.
Me all
Yeah,
lose.
come go on
Me
like
all
say you're
lose
my mama.
reasoning.
Stop flash up your ear
Wait,
for me.
hold on.
So what you have to
Wait.
tell my face?
One of them there when you come here, when me tell you say.
What your problem, Shan?
Me not.
No, you expect me
Shan,
to come down here
What
so...
your problem, Shan?
No, you expect me to come down here so stuck in the house like me our house rat?
Hey, remember?
Hey,
Hey.
me and the house rat.
Remember say I'm my yard inna.
And so what
Lower
I
your
do?
voice. When you come now, you have to dash your front all over. Me say yes and turn out different.
Hey,
And first and foremost.
don't
I
come.
want to
Hey,
girl.
don't come accuse me for nothing.
You stink. That you do.
Like I do. Because probably I'm not chance like I don't need to know.
Me could never smell like it because you're fishy, you're raw. You're 15 and you come down here with it.
You have proof?
You so.
You have evidence?
No worry, cause not no stay here so. Not no hold down here so. Come out on my side.
How you talk?
Come out on my Come out on my side.
Listen, I'm not afraid of mommy.
You know say I go lift up.
I'm not afraid of mother. So you me go come down and say I'm afraid
You have to
of?
go one. For true. Me I give by no one tomorrow. Yeah, you have to go let me have. Hey, me not even have friend down here. Out one somebody me talk to down here. And I'm cousin the old man who I have. And this little girl. Alright.
Hello. I look new. Like I know to the area.
Yeah, me know to
Yeah, yeah.
Well, my name Marka and you're
Renisha.
what?
Renisha.
Renisha.
Yeah.
How
Yeah,
are
yeah,
you?
much.
I said just walk around and ask people that age.
Yeah.
Well, you're
But
much
no.
first.
Yeah, 14. Lick.
Oh, me 15. 1 year older than you.
Oh.
Yeah.
You alright though?
Yeah, me good. Me just I go walk out and see car.
Boy. I go on now. Not you.
You just come up to the girl even on the girl age. Post of the one little pitney now. I'm even know ya.
So me care share how much? Me care about age.
Boy. So no
Anyway,
go out
me
here.
can't get a number. So the base better now.
Yeah, no, my sister, man.
You don't worry about that for. We don't worry about that. Not supposed to feel bad at you.
Not worry about that, boy. I'm a sister.
I don't know if you're giving me a number. Alright, I'm ready. Yes, yeah.
I'm here for you, though.
Yeah,
Alright, come again.
And your sister, man?
Yo, leave it alone, man.
I'm a sister, man,
Come
so
on,
if me give me number, suppose something happen to me, I
Hey,
road.
that's true. Can call me.
Me can call him if me not get me sister.
So, wait there, go.
Me did a good on the road.
Go do.
No, me just a go walk.
So, we can come with that.
Yeah, come on, you can walk with me.
So, what we are going to do with this assassin thing?
The same thing. You even know me say don't do that.
Me don't know what me are gonna do with it.
Send her,
Because
look for her, send her.
Go wrong with me.
me don't know her.
Oh, you don't know her?
No, me just come out
Yeah,
and
you don't know her.
meet
Come
you.
on, no.
Come on.
Hello, look at girl. Come here. I see one little short short body girl with her hair like go come out here. So.
Yeah, so with one boy named TV.
One boy named TV. Short stout girl comforting.
Mm-hmm.
Where saying gone?
Can also with one girl.
You can't wear slippers come on I pool. Wear slippers then.
Never wear no slippers. The water me a go in a.
Man, you good still. Cause somewhere was shit. Come on. Why are you going now?
Nah, drop.
What? That's what you take care of.
Water cool?
Yeah.
This a warm water, yeah?
Cool man, I know so.
You know, be this morning. Come on.
One sec. Oh, yeah, this is a lot of stuff.
Because we feel good. Nobody never did this to me.
Yeah, man, a long time, man. Can't see, man, my father was a fisherman. He was a king, so.
You probably eat too much sugar this morning.
King, man.
So I don't eat no sugar. That happens.
Nah, to lie now, me like you more than your sister still, you know.
True?
Right now.
So your sister never come here, sir.
See, and your sister and your man that. Lick it. Yeah. Lick it up with your lick. Johnny. Yeah. Hold on. You have to kill him.
I breathe. Look at me. I breathe. Who breathe you? Who breathe you? Who breathe you? Who breathe you? What's up? My name? Who it be?
No, no, name.
You don't know my name, who breathe you? Say you sleep with somebody and you don't know who breathe you. You want to go whore. What mommy send around here for? Eh? Where you come here for? For what?
Sorry.
You're sorry? A TB breeder? A TB breeder? Who?
No, no, man.
Oh! So, me I go say who your baby father, me don't know the man. So, me don't know the man. The man name, me don't know the man. You go find him. Come, we go look for him. You go find him.